The buzz around Google's next wave of Pixels is getting louder every hour, and the details are getting wild. Leaks hint at upgrades that don't just push specs forward, they flip long-standing hardware traditions on their head. And if even half of this turns out to be true, the Pixel 10 and Pixel 11 might be Google's boldest leap in years. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. So let's start with the Pixel 11, because Google seems to be cooking something big behind the curtain. Early builds suggest a major shift in camera hardware powered by improved on-device AI. We're talking a new telephoto system built to deliver crisp 100x zoom while keeping power consumption surprisingly low. And the craziest part, cinematic blur in 4K 30 FPS is finally getting smarter thanks to a refreshed rendering engine inside the next-gen Tensor G6. That engine also enables video relighting directly on the device, which could change how creators shoot indoors and at night. Speaking of night, ultra-low-light video is about to level up too. Google's planning to eliminate cloud-dependent night sight video entirely, replacing it with a fully on-device version tuned for extremely dim environments. If it works as leaked, the Pixel 11 might produce clearer nighttime shots without any of the lag or processing delay people hate right now. Sliding back to 2025, the Pixel 10 has its own tricks lined up. With the new Tensor G5 at its core, generative editing becomes way more intuitive. Post-capture tweaks using voice commands, sketch-to-image transformations, and even a mysterious magic mirror tool are all in testing. The G5 is reportedly powerful enough to run stable diffusion-based models locally, meaning Pixel Studio might evolve into a full mini creativity suite in your pocket. And for video lovers, 4K HDR at 60 FPS is finally standard, something Pixel users have shouted about for years. But here's where things get really interesting. Inside Google's labs, engineers are reportedly testing a MediaTek M90 modem for the Pixel 11 series. If Google ditches Samsung's modems after using them since the very first Tensor generation, it could mean better 5G stability, stronger satellite communication, improved thermals, and fewer connectivity dropouts. Pixel phones are already known for their software smarts. This could be the moment the hardware finally catches up. And yes, Google seems to be preparing multiple Pixel 11 variants, including a Pro Fold and possibly a super slim model to compete with Samsung's S25 Edge and Apple's iPhone Air. If Google enters the ultra-lightweight game, the design war in 2026 is going to be insane. The only real mystery is how this affects Google's long-running partnership with Samsung. If 2026 is the year Google becomes fully independent with its silicon and modem strategy, the Pixel lineup might finally gain the raw power it needs to take on Apple's A series head-on. Let me know your thoughts on this wild Pixel roadmap in the comments. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next update. See you in the next one.